My father, Malcolm Clayton, first bought the property in 1989. They saw the potential of the property literally 40 years ago. This is truly a wonderful piece of property. Unlike so many, short term it would become a wonderful large family ranch. Long term, it would be a truly incredible investment. My name is Brant Clayton.
And I'm Jonathan Clayton.
We're out here at our High Oaks Ranch that we bought about 40 years ago.
The ranch boasts of an entire mile of Econ-Lackatchie River frontage with incredible river bluffs, freshwater fishing, and recreation. The property has a beautiful rolling topography of uplands and improved pastures towards the front of the property. And as you slide back towards the river, you move into a breathtaking, heavily forested, natural river corridor. There are beautiful old-growth cypress, oaks, and pine forests with natural ponds and streams throughout the entire property. High Oaks Ranch is a very short drive to Oviedo, 25 minutes to downtown Orlando, and less than 30 minutes to Winter Park, Lake Nona, and to both Orlando International Airport and Sanford Orlando International Airport. Roughly 45 minutes to Disney, Epcot, Universal Studios, and Florida's Space Coast, Kennedy Space Center, Cape Canaveral, Space Force, NASA, SpaceX, and Blue Origin. High Oaks Ranch is currently the hole in the donut of development. There is development pressure on all sides with completed projects, current projects like the Grow to the south in Orange County, or future projects like the proposed Sustany to the immediate south in Orange County. In short, High Oaks Ranch is the largest, closest, and most desirable riverfront development and recreational tract of land left in Central Florida. There are only a few properties in the entire Southeast that hold a candle to this property. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and when it's gone, it's gone.